Hi everyone, my name is Darcy. I'm from the Welty Environmental Center. Today in our nature video, I want to talk about one of my favorite birds, as well as one of the most common hummingbirds found in Wisconsin, which is the ruby-throated hummingbird. I also wanted to share with y'all how to make the sugar water for hummingbird feeders. Ruby-throated hummingbirds are native to the United States, and they are eastern North America's sole breeding hummingbird. To identify these birds, the male has a ruby red throat, a white collar, and an emerald green back and a forked tail. The females lack the ruby red throat and are much more duller in color. Ruby-throated hummingbirds begin arriving back to Wisconsin around the first week of May. By early fall, they are bound for Central America, with many accomplishing an amazing non-stop 500-mile flight across the Gulf of Mexico. Feeders and flower gardens are great ways to attract these birds. You can attract ruby-throated hummingbirds to your own backyard by setting up a hummingbird feeder or by planting tubular flowers. To make food for a hummingbird feeder, what you will need will be some water, some white granulated sugar, some measuring cups, in a bowl and mixing utensil. So with our two ingredients, water and sugar, you will need 4 parts water and 1 part sugar. So that means if you are making 1 cup, or if you have 1 cup of water, you will need 1/4 a cup of sugar. So here's 1/4 a cup of sugar. And we'll do 1 cup of water. So now you want to stir your sugar water until the sugar completely dissolves in the water. Now that my sugar is completely dissolved in the water, now you can add it to a hummingbird feeder. Although hummingbirds are known to regularly feed on red or orange flowers, you should not add red food coloring to your sugar water. This red dye can be very unhealthy and harmful to the hummingbirds. The best choice is to use table sugar or white granulated sugar and water, and then use or purchase a feeder that is red. You can either purchase a hummingbird feeder or create your own. In the video description, I will provide a link to some do-it-yourself hummingbird feeders. When hanging your hummingbird feeder, avoid hanging it in areas of extended direct sunlight because you don't want the water to heat up and turn into a toxic mixture. Also, be careful of where you put your hummingbird feeder so that no predators like outdoor cats can learn to lie in wait and catch any visiting hummingbirds. Make sure to change the sugar water at least once a week or before it gets cloudy or discolored. Thanks for listening today and learning more about our ruby-throated hummingbirds, and I hope you all get a chance to make some food for your hummingbird feeders and see if you can draw and attract any hummingbirds to your backyard. So thanks again for joining me and have a wonderful day. Bye!